How are you?
Oh, living sagging out.
Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a 2017 Dodge Ram. We're going to be using our fobic keys, just the basics. We're going to go ahead and program them, and then we'll cut the emergency key later. Alright, switch ignition off, hazards on. Alright. Keys are programmed. Lock and unlock buttons work. Emergency key works. Truck starts. Lock and unlock buttons work.
200. Don't worry about the change.
Oh man, hey, I sure appreciate it.
Appreciate you.
I'm okay. Alrighty guys, if you like that video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and TikTok at McFalls Locksmith. Thank you and God bless.